Hello friends! Continue with the first lesson, single vowels. Today, we will work with a table to discover how many vowel combinations of two single vowels. In order to do this activity faster and better, I think at first you should learn our lesson 1, single vowels. There's the link below. Now, let's start. This is the table, which is used to combine two single vowels. These are 12 single vowels in this first column, and the second column shows the vowel combinations which have a ending. Each combination is put in each orange cell, and likewise the columns in the table. This column shows the combinations with R ending, this column with A ending, A ending, U ending, E ending, E ending. Now, we begin with A ending. Lắng nghe và lặp lại theo tôi nhé. O, A, O. O, A, O. Hoa, hoa. U, A, ua. U, A, ua. Vua, vua. Ư, A, ưa. Ư, A, ưa. Mưa, mưa. Y, A, ia. Y, A, ia. Bia, bia. Tiếp tục với O ending nhé. A, O, ao. A, O, ao. Sao, sao. E, O, eo. E, O, eo. Kẹo, kẹo. Chúng ta cùng ôn lại lần nữa nhé. O, A, O. Hoa, O, hoa. U, A, ua. Vua, ua, vua. Ư, A, ưa. Mưa, mưa. Y, A, ia. Bia, ia. Bia. Vô, vô, vô. A, O, ao. Sao, ao, sao. E, O, eo. Kẹo, eo, kẹo. I don't know how to describe my voice in this song. I'm so sorry about that. But I hope in this lesson you won't confuse the vowel combinations of oa and ao. Đây là oa và đây là ao. Oa, ao. We will continue this topic in next lesson with a ending, and u ending. Wish you have a peaceful day. It's time to say goodbye and see you later. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.